Good morning, students. Welcome to the new session of 11 Commerce. Welcome to you all. Today, I am going to share in front of you the concept of business. Significantly, the whiteboard is completely blank. It is completely white. It indicates that your mind should be such because the subject business studies, I think it is a brand new subject for you, for the student of commerce. So, if you do not have parachuted mind, if you do not have open mind, crystal clear mind, then you cannot absorb the correct things written in these subjects. What should be the starting point for reading this subject, and why we should read this subject? Because I believe that if why is clear, then we all can take spontaneous initiative for reading these subjects in our own ways. But if why is not clear, if it is not clear that what is the benefit we may get by reading these subjects, then ultimately I think the subject may be a burden for you. Don't think, though merely it is theoretical subject, but don't think it is merely theory. You can say it is the general studies book for you. General studies book or general knowledge book for the students of commerce. If you want to proceed in commerce, then the subject business studies, it will be act as a backbone or spinal cord for the entire academic career. So what should be the starting point if we think business studies? Study about business. For your information, you know it very well what is business. The word is very much familiar to us. The word business, it is very much familiar. What is business? We have seen. If we observe, if we have outlook, then we are observing that some people, they are busy in rendering their services to patients. Some people, they are busy for rendering their services to the persons who are facing legal harassment. Some people, they are busy rendering their services by providing necessity goods to all consumers. If we observe, if we follow, that all people are busy for spending their livelihood, and they are busy for different purposes. Now, what is business? It is said that when in regular basis we supposed to engage into the activities of production, purchasing, and selling. For earning profit. that may be defined as business. Think. Generally, it is the general meaning of business. In regular basis, if we are engaged ourselves in production activities, in purchasing activities, in selling activities, in regular basis for earning profit, that is business. So many definitions are given. You may get it in your books also. You will have to read it, not for merely remembering the things. Whenever you read anything written in business studies subject, try to correlate the meaning by taking example from the society. You can easily understand, because business studies ultimately it is a study about society, because business, it is one important element of our society. And who are the maker of society? Human beings. We are the maker of society. So who are the maker of business? We are the maker of business. The concept of business came into our society by whom? By us. So it is the creation of human beings. Today, without this, one full stop will be there before civilization. So the word business, it is so important, and it is the God's master plan. We got the opportunity of reading this subject with the help of the curriculum given by CBSE, and name of this subject is business studies. In the next class, I will obviously discuss about the syllabus of business studies. I think you know it to some extent, that the entire syllabus is divided into two parts, term 1 and term 2. I will identify what are the chapters in term 1. MCQ based questions will come from this. But before that is the strategy for reading this subject. But before that, try to create the proper mindset for reading this subject. Clear? Please clear yourself that why you should read this subject. So for this reason, it is my earnest request to read this subject attentively, with due encouragement. I think you can claim yourself as a smart student of commerce. Thank you.